I'm using a big enough box to catch all the debris, or you can use a big bag or whatever you have laying around. I use a painter's tape around the area where I will be cutting. It's a standard 14 by 14 inch opening. These are the tools that I have on hand, a power drill and a jigsaw. I went to my local Home Depot and grabbed this Milwaukee step drill bit set. Then I drill a starter hole in each corner of the marked out square, cleaning up the metal chart as I go. Using the metal blade, I stick it into the hole and start the cut. The cut is complete and it drops right into the box underneath. I'm using this Rust-Oleum spray paint to cover up the bare metals and let it dry for about an hour while I go do something else. I framed and glued 1x2s underneath and let dry overnight. I did not record the next step because at that time I didn't plan on making a video. So I put a generous amount of butyl tape all around the edges before putting the frame on and screwing it in, and topping it off with a self-leveling sealant. And here I am trying to put the last piece in, the trim ring. This interior garnished trim ring is supposed to cover the gap on the inside of the van's ceiling. But I can't install this yet until the build of my van ceiling is complete, so I can cut it to size according to the thickness of my ceiling. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. It will motivate me to make more videos and share my journey with you of my self-built camper van.